she insane?
Oh God.
Bailey!
Pooh Bear.
It smells so gross. What is she?
Christ. Pooh Bear.
Bailey!
What are you doing? Are you eating plants? So weird.
Come on! Come here, girl! I'm trying to get her to come back over here.
I want her to go in the water. Oh.
I don't think she wants to go in the water.
Oh my God.
Psycho!
This is Bailey.
Bailey!
Mama gonna get you. What are you doing?
She's insane.
That was pretty funny.
Beaver!
It's not as fun when you're up here. What are you doing?
Oh my God, it's like right next. She's drinking next to like the poop thing.
The floaty? Oh my God. Just like bouncing off the walls. Oh my Jesus.
She's psycho.
Oh, she just like
just
ran into it.